On Monday, we had done a quick review overall on how the year ended. But today's hump day, so let's see what the hump we're looking at. Here's what we're looking at today. Overall, Bitcoin itself is in at the bottom. You can see that the time period of a typical bear period for Bitcoin and the growth S curve, we are scraping the bottom at this moment. I still have buy zones way down here, 13.8 all the way down to 10, more or less, with a Hail Mary all the way down to 9,200. Just do your own research, not financial advice, but this is where we're at currently. Moving on to the monthly view, which is a clearer picture of it all, you can see Bitcoin, we closed below our previous thin ice we were at, which was the wick, one of the lower wick of the previous bull run. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to tap the actual floor standing currently at 13,888. A lot of times you look at the chart and you look at, okay, this is what should happen. You just don't know how it's going to happen. And then we see that big dump that occurred in November, which is this one right here with SBX, FTX, and SBF being the trigger of this downfall, which took quite a few people down with it in the industry overall. The big question is, okay, what is going to trigger this final leg down, this capitulation that we're gunning for? Well, we will speak of that shortly. There is a possible second shoe. We've discussed the possibility of Binance being one of them. We'll discuss that.
Yep.
And we will also discuss what's going to occur this Friday, a high noon showdown that should trigger this. So Bitcoin is where it needs to be at the moment. It's just waiting for news. The overall market, if you see here on the right, crypto market and the rest of the market is pretty green. And you're seeing some bets being put on the table by Induquant, BNB, Matic, and a few of the well-known and building cryptos that are building to this. So that's where we're at today. That's the simple version, and that's the update. If there's any questions, anyone, please drop it.